to the skyscrapers, and everything is just spot on. To me, I feel this is the best way to access Flux for free right now. There's no other platform. Hello guys, welcome to another video. A couple of days ago, I made a video about how you can access the Flux model for free on SeaArt AI, and someone said at the time of publishing the video, he could only generate one image and it used up all his credit. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can actually, I'll be showing you 3 platforms that you can actually use the Flux model for free without having to sign up for a membership or a premium account. So let's just dive in, and I'm going to show you the first platform, which is their official Hugging Face, and the other 2 are separate platforms that you can get access to the Flux models. Start using them to generate amazing images today. So once you're on Flux, once you're on the Hugging Face, I'll leave all the links in the description so you can just access the URLs or the websites. You can just go over to their Hugging Face and you can select between the 2. If I go back, you can see you can select between the Flux.1 Dev and the Flux.Schnell. For some reason, I don't know if I can actually access this Flux Dev, because whenever I try to use it, it says it is in full capacity. But let's just try it now to see if I can get access. You can see it's in full capacity. So I have to go back and try the Schnell, which is their free version. But for some reason on their platform, like I mentioned in my other video, their platform, the Schnell version, only generates a single type of image. So whenever you put the prompt, it's going to generate that same image. You can watch my previous video so you can just follow up and understand what I'm saying. So I have a prompt. I'm just going to copy and paste it here so we can generate an image, so we can see how well this model on their Hugging Face is. So I'm just going to click on run. But if you go down here, you can see you can access some other advanced settings like the seed and whatever. You can set your seed to 0 or -1. But I'll just leave it as the default now, so I can just run and see what I get. So when I click on run, it's to take a few seconds. It's like really fast to generate an image. It took like 30 seconds to generate this image. I must say I like the image. It looks okay, but it's a bit cartoony. It doesn't have that photorealistic feel to it. But we're just going to try the other platform. You can actually generate countless generations here on your Hugging Face. So that's just one. So the second one is Piclumen. So once you go on Piclumen, you can see generate for free, blah blah blah. You can just sign up with your Google account. So once you sign up, you get taken to this page where you can actually generate images. You can see I've generated 2 images as well. You can come here to model and select whatever model you want. You can try from their Piclumen Realistic, Piclumen Anime, or Piclumen Line Art. I'm just going to pick Schnell, since that's what we're talking about, the Flux model on this. So once I click on Schnell, I'm just going to paste in my prompt. I already have it here, so I'm just going to click on generate so we can see what images it gets for me, generates for me. Piclumen takes anywhere from 40 seconds to 1 minute to generate a single image. I don't know why it takes. Sometimes it could take longer than that. Just keep that in mind. Sometimes it takes a little fast, and sometimes it's a little fast, sometimes it's actually slow. So you just have to wait for it to generate. While we're waiting, we can just go over to SeaArt. SeaArt is actually another place where you can generate amazing generations. This generations here on SeaArt, if you're actually using the Flux model, it's actually like a photorealistic image. For example, if I click on this image, you can see how realistic this image is. It's really amazing. This is like a really amazing image. You can see the detail in her skin. You can see the detail in her shirt, in her jacket here, the leather, and you can see her hair, the strays. It's like photorealistic if you're being honest. So for SeaArt, you can just go over to their websites. I'll leave all the links in the description. And once you're on their website, you have to come over to, let's go home to where it says Flux. So when you click on Flux, this is where you're going to actually type in your prompt. They have a ton of other models on your platform, but we're just sticking to Flux for this tutorial. So once you type your prompt, you can just click on generate, and it's going to generate you an image. Let's see if Piclumen has generated an image. Still generating. You can see this is taking forever. So this is amazing. SeaArt did a really good job in the generation. I really love this. This is like really good. This is the realism in this image is amazing. It looks photorealistic. You can, without a doubt, this looks photorealistic, from the cars to her jacket to her top to her skin to her hair to the skyscrapers, and everything is just spot on. To me, I feel this is the best way to access Flux for free right now. There's no other platform that you can access Flux for free besides their Hugging Face, and the Hugging Face doesn't let you use the other premium models like the Flux Pro and the Flux Dev. So for you to access Flux now, you can just go on SeaArt and start generating amazing images like this. Okay, so Piclumen is done, and look at the generation. I think because the Chanel gives this cartoony 3D kind of render for all their images. It's the same thing with the Flux on the Flux Hugging Face. It's the same thing with Piclumen. You cannot access the Flux Pro and the Flux Dev. Meanwhile, on SeaArt, they're actually giving you the Flux Pro and Flux Dev, because in my previous video I generated some images and they look exactly like this, photorealistic. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this insightful, and I hope you like and subscribe so you don't miss any more information when it comes to artificial intelligence. I'll see you in the next video.